Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you room in Best Western Inn and Suites Hotel in Concord, New Hampshire. It should be quite nice hotel. Let's see.
Not be detracting from what I'm using.
Yeah, this hotel is really nice. Everything is new. Okay, ice machine, waiting room. Wow. My room number is 309, so it's here. 309. It's here, guys. Wow. It's too cold right here. Come on, where is the light? Oh my gosh, I can't see the light. Okay, no more light. Where is the ceiling light? Is here. Oh, small kitchen. Wow. Okay, so there is a freezer. Something is here. No, there's nothing in here. But there is a microwave. Okay. Okay. So yeah, two big size beds. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Nice huge TV. Wow. Okay. Coffee machine. Okay, tea. Okay. Sink. Ice bucket. And the most important, oh, okay. Iron desk. And the bathroom. Yeah, everything is clean, new, nice, smells good. Hair dryer. Yeah. This is a good hotel. Guys, if you wanna stay here, no problem, you should stay. Very nice hotel. Yeah, I like it clean. So the mirror is heated in the middle, as you can see, so there is no fog. Yeah, it's heated here and it's heated here. All of the other places there is a fog. That's interesting. First time I see like heated mirror in a hotel. Okay, I found something like a storage room. So can I open it? No. I cannot open the storage room, okay. fitness center. Okay. Here. Okay. Here's the fitness center. No weights. And just the machine. Okay, it's good enough. Hand sanitizer and water is there. Yeah. So, yeah, computers. Like another waiting area. And let's go and see the pool. Pool and spa. Storage. Okay. Drink machines. Vending machines. Ice maker. Okay, restrooms. Oh, West Laundry. Let's see the laundry first. Oh, it's open. Okay, out of order. One is out of order. But it is here. Okay. Nice and clean. Let's see the pool. Where is the light? Is it open? Okay. So there is a good sized pool. Yeah, quite big pool with jacuzzi. Shower is here. Three feet. Four, 5 feet deep. Only. It's like for kids. Jacuzzi. Okay. Whoa. Look at this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sausage. hash browns and eggs.
Dropping a brand new music video overnight along with her entire new 7th studio album.
Okay, there is a meeting room. Yeah, quite good size meeting room.
I'm gonna eat it.
So this is how it looks like in the daytime. Good morning. Alright guys, what is very interesting, maybe for some of you, that there is like 4 EV charging ports, places for the cars. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if some of you driving electric car or hybrid, you can charge it in this hotel. So that's kind of interesting and useful. This is how it looks like in the daytime. Alright guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.